Welcome students. In this video I'm gonna talk about a constant rule, the constant rule, and an example. So the constant rule says that dx of a constant c is equal to 0. So the example I can show you, it's f of x equal to 7. So the derivative of f is equal to f prime of x equal to 0. Or for example, f of x equal to 0, then f prime of x is equal to 0. Or f of x equal to 10, then f prime of x is equal to 0. Or for example, f prime, or I'm sorry, f, let's erase it. Or for example, f of x equal to e, which is the one that said the constant e equal to 3.7471, something like that. Then this is equal to f prime of x is equal to 0. Or something like f of x equal to for example, equal to log of 2, then f prime of x is equal to 0. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.